Welcome to our video guide on how to set up your EE Certified ESN-READY Booster Plus. This is our most powerful self-install coverage solution. Here's what you'll find in the premium kit. The ESN Booster Plus main unit, a whip antenna, a patch antenna connected to an 8-meter coaxial cable, a 20-meter coaxial cable, additional 1-meter patch antenna, the power supply and mounting bracket. Now let's get your ESN Booster Plus set up. First, you need to decide on the best place to install it. You'll need to position it in a place that already has a strong EE mobile signal. We generally recommend that you place the unit near a window where coverage is strongest in your building. The Booster Plus can then amplify this signal to where coverage is required. Make sure it's near a power supply and away from other electrical appliances. You can simply position your Booster Plus on a table or flat surface. But if you'd prefer to have it in a secured position, you can fix it to a wall using the mounting kit included. Check there are no objects or wires behind the wall before starting, and ensure the unit clicks into place after mounting. Check out the Quick Start Guide for full details on how to do this. Once your unit is positioned, it's time to get your antennae and power supply connected. Ensure antennae are connected before the power supply. The Booster Plus has 2 ports. One which receives the signal, shown on the unit by a cell site icon, the donor port, and another that boosts the signal, shown by the mobile icon, the server port. For premium indoor deployments, position the device near a window where coverage in your building is strongest. Next, connect the whip antenna to the donor port and connect the 20-meter coaxial cable to the server port. Next, screw the 1-meter patch antenna to the end of the 20-meter coaxial cable and ensure the cable is secured. Mount horizontally where service is required using double-sided tape provided. Ensure the patch antenna is as far away from the whip antenna as possible. For outdoor deployments, the whip antenna is not required. Start by mounting the 8-meter patch antenna horizontally on the outside window frame, where mobile signal is strongest, using the double-sided tape provided. The cable should be thin enough to feed through the window and still close. If not, the window must remain open, or a hole may need to be drilled in the window frame in order to feed the cable through. Then, connect the cable to the donor port on the unit. Next, connect the 20-meter coaxial cable to the server port and screw the 1-meter patch antenna to the other end of the cable. Ensure the cable is secured and mount horizontally, but where service is required. Ensure the patch antennae are as far from each other as possible. Plug the power supply into the back of the unit, turn on the switch, and wait for the LED on the front of the booster to turn solid green. Your Booster Plus is ready to go. We hope you're happy with your new Booster Plus. For further information and support, please refer to your ESN Booster Plus welcome pack.
EE